WebSim.ai tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use WebSim.ai, a perfect website to make your website. Here you can see WebSim.ai is an AI generator that can generate relevant content based on your input, saving your time and effort in content creation. It can customize options. It has really beginner friendly customization options, and also this AI does most of the heavy lifting. Just you need to do is one thing, that is you have to command it and it will do the rest for you. You will have the flexibility to customize your site, adjust your layouts, colors and contents to perfectly align with your brand and vision. So there we go. Here you can see this is the interface of websim.ai. You can check it out. You can just go to your any browser and simply search for websim.ai, then it will redirect you to this site. Here you can see this one. So let's get started, and make sure to check the link in the description box, or maybe it can in the pinned comments. So let's head over to it. Here you can see this. So now let's say you want to make any changes or you want to edit your website. So you can command it from here at the top right, at the bottom right corner. You can see this search bar right here. You can just simply search it up here. So as I don't have a website right now, I'm gonna take the help of ChatGPT. No, let's skip it. Just let's give it a prompt. Let's say rewrite me. Okay, let's ask it that how to use you, and it will answer you. But before let's get started, you have to sign in with Google or Discord. They only have these two options, so you have to choose one. For now, I'm gonna choose the sign in with Google, and then you have to choose your Gmail account and then tap continue, and there we go. It will redirect us into websim.ai dashboard. So now here you can see, you can search up projects if you have any. So let me just cut it up right now. So here we go, and from this option, like something is like this pencil icon, here you can see this search bar. Here you can just change its AI version from Gemini 2.5 Pro to many more. Here you can see they have bunch of GPT versions here. Just choose one that you like the most. Now here you have to type in that what you like to change. I would wait, let me type in perfectly. I would like to change my website, let's say portfolio or theme. Okay, let's type in theme and then send it up. So let the AI analyze it, and then it will give us a prompt. So here we go. There you can see these templates, previously made templates of websim.ai, and if you want, you can create a new website theme, or you can say you can design completely website from here by clicking on this plus icon at the top left corner. You just have to tap on the plus icon and then you can customize it. So as you can see, nothing to see here yet because I don't have no website right now. So let's go back. Okay, and let's choose a previously made template for now. Okay, so we are gonna choose this one. Okay, let's choose this one. So there we go. This is the website for now that we are gonna edit. Wait, so here you can choose many things from here, but right now I'm gonna change something from here. For example, I want to change the color of the background. Okay, you just have to type in the prompt and it will do the rest for you. And here you can see, you can choose this one, that which one you want to edit, and then just tap onto that one and you can edit them very easily. As you can see, my prompt is being updated. Here you can see this little loading icon. Here you can see this, it is going and almost there. So wait until the loading is completed and then it will generate us with its results. And if you want, you can change the GPT version by just simply clicking onto here, and then you can just do it. Now you have to check this icon before continue. So there we go. Now we can change many things. For example, this you can change many things if you want. You just have to input it Like from here you just have to add an input, and if you want to add more images, you can do it from here. So let me show you how you can do it. Here you can see this plus icon and you can add more assets. For example, I'm going to add these images right here. So wait until it loads, and then it will be added to my this website portfolio. And here you can see this comment, like here are some reviews that, bro, this is impossible, Greg is not an immortal, and etc. You can just check them out, and from there you can check out its reach and etc. and its analytics from different countries. Okay, so you can just simply add assets. If you want, you can add images, and you can also delete images from here if you want. To add a Pokemon, or also you can just go back to your home page, and here you can type that I want to create a cooking website. Then you can just send it up. You can just send it up, and then it will create your template. Wait, let it load, and then you can just enter the prompt. You can change the GPT version from here, as I told you. Wait and let it load first, and you can scroll down. You can find out a lot of portfolios here that was previously made with the help of WebSim. So let me show you. Here you can check it all of this out. So as you can see, mine is being worked. Let's see what is happening. Okay, let it load. Let's go to this site, and here you can check out these new things, like you can leave a note here. Yeah, you can see this, a lot of notes. So check them out. Okay, I'm not logged into it. Let's sign in with Google again. Portfolio, let me see. Okay, now let's send it over. Let's see how it turns out. Let it load simply, and then we're gonna check them out, that how it turns out. It's taking a lot of time because right now I'm on the free version, so obviously it will take time. From this plus icon, you can also create new projects if you wish to. Yeah, you can see this plus icon, and then you can create new project according to your wish. Like you can create a customized website for you. It's taking a lot of time. So let's tap on to plus. Now here you can see this site will be created when you submit a prompt. So I'm just, okay, this one is been ready. So this is how you can create website using websim.com very easily. You just have to type in prompt, want dragon in it. Let me type it. So you can just send it over and it will do the rest of the job. Okay, so as you can see, the dragon is being added on my portfolio. So this is how you can use websim.com very easily. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to leave a comment down below if you want a more advanced tutorial of websim.com. So that was it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Till then, take care, goodbye. As you can see, the dragon has been added. See you on the next video.